Well, today was part of the recognition for the month of culture and the arts here in the Philippines.
First time po na nagkaroon ng lecture concert.
Maganda po. Totoo lang, first time ko lang pong makarinig ng mga ganong performance.
Today I was a guest speaker about Phantom of the Opera. I kind of shared with the students here a little bit about what musical theater is, since it's an American art form that's reached many borders now, many countries. Not too many people are very familiar with the details about its origin and what are the musical qualities of this specific genre of music. I know a lot of the Filipino community is very familiar with some of the songs because they're very popular. So I think that's one of the reasons we chose Phantom of the Opera, because it's accessible.
Nakakakaba pero masaya kasi naging maayos naman yung performance kahit hindi madali yung pagkanta, pero yan, sa tulong naman ng Panginoon Diyos, nagawa naman.
Too many years fighting back tears. Why can't the past just die? Wishing you were somehow here again, knowing we must take goodbye. Try to forgive, teach me to live, give me the strength to try.
Gagamitin ko rin yung mga nakita ko kanina at yung mga natutunan ko kanina sa mga steps ko towards sa pagiging isang marunong at biyasa na director.
Sleep he sang to me in dreams he came. That voice which calls to me speaks my name. And do I dream again? For now I find the Phantom of the Opera is there inside my
We presented a lecture concert about American musical theater, specifically Phantom of the Opera.